By the way, how are you guys holding up? I know this is a lot, but we need to get through this. Okay. We have sine, right? Okay, 3 more minutes and let's finish this question. So first of all, when you're drawing trig functions, you need to have you need to figure out what your amplitude is, which is a, right? You need to find what your k value is, and you need to find your period. So period is equal to 2 pi over k, right? So k is your constant right here. So, or coefficient. So your 2 is your amplitude, right? Right off the bat, we see that a is equal to 2. And then you don't really have a k, which is... Actually, you do have a k, which is 1, right? Again, there's a difference between none and a numerical value, so it's 1. K is 1. And then our period is equal to 2 pi over k, which is 2 pi over 1, which is exactly 2 pi, right? So I don't have to write the 1. And then they're saying that the restriction is basically from negative 2 pi, which is negative 360 degrees, and it's in between... Sorry, so your function is in between negative 2 pi and 2 pi, right? So when you graph this, right? So first of all, our sine function, I'm just going to draw that really quickly here. Typically, our sine function, you would have y is equal to sine x, and then you know that this is going to be 1, and then at the bottom you have negative 1, right? So in that case, you need to remember this because when you're drawing trig functions, it's very easy if you know the template or how it should look like, right? So 1 period for sine x is actually 2 pi, right? So in that case, when we're drawing this, because we know that this is x is equal to pi over 3, so